An ice maker is a smart investment for people who want ice for their drinks and want it fast. With an ice maker in your home, you no longer have to wait for water to freeze in your ice trays, or give up precious freezer space to heavy bags of ice. There are many products available to choose best ice maker, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of best ice makers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best overall ice maker. LumaComfort Clear Ice Cube Maker. The LumaComfort Countertop Clear Ice Maker made more ice in 1 hour than all the other ice makers we tested, which, for a countertop ice maker, is pretty impressive. It took a little more than 23 minutes to produce one batch of 24 ice cubes during our testing. And according to the brand, if you run it all day, it can make up to 28 pounds of ice. This can be attributed to its generous 10-cup water capacity. We were also impressed with the lack of sound. The machine was practically silent while it churned out ice. This is super convenient if you are having company in your kitchen, as it will allow your guests to talk to each other without being interrupted by the ice maker doing its thing. Another great feature of this ice maker is that it's far from an eyesore, thanks to the stainless steel exterior and LED display that will look sleek on your kitchen countertop. Number 2. Best budget ice maker. Silent Countertop Ice Maker. Finding an affordable ice maker that can make a good amount of ice in a short period of time is no easy feat, which is why we were so excited about the Silent Countertop Ice Maker. This model, which weighs only 15 pounds and is about 12 inches tall, is one of the fastest ice machines we tested. Using 9 cups of water, the tank's capacity, this ice maker was able to produce 8 cubes of ice in less than 8 minutes. For a small size, we think it produced a decent amount of ice after an hour. We were also pleased with the capacity and found the output to be moderate compared to other ice makers. We tested you can either make small or large bullet ice cubes with this Silent model. We noticed that the ice was cloudy, which was not uncommon when we tested other ice makers, and the sizing of the ice was inconsistent. You can program this ice maker to clean itself, and it has a light that turns on when the basket is full and when the water tank is low. Although the brand boasts that the ice maker is quiet, we did not find that to be the case. We rated the noise level a 2 out of 5, 1 being the lowest rating. However, we really like the look of the machine, so much so that we would store it on our kitchen countertop for other people to see. Number 3. Best large capacity ice maker. Countertop Ice Maker. Whether you're prepping cocktails for a party or serving up chilled drinks for the whole family, having a large capacity ice maker can come in handy. The newer countertop ice maker is on the more expensive side, but that's likely because the water tank capacity is more than double the average size, and makes an impressive 50 pounds of ice per day. During our testing, it produced 1 pound of ice in about 10 minutes, rivaled only by our best overall pick. Though we wish the machine was a bit faster, the higher capacity compensates for the speed. While we love this large size for hosting, it may not fit on some countertops due to its dimensions. At almost 17 inches high, this pick is far from compact, which was the greatest drawback throughout our testing process. Because this ice maker couldn't fit on our countertop, we had to place it on the floor to dump it out, rather than use the drain. Number 4. Best portable ice maker. Glow Portable Ice Maker. Considering their large size and oftentimes heavy weight, one thing that many ice makers are not is portable. And those that are marketed as portable are usually still pretty difficult to carry. This Glow model is one of the few we found that is truly portable, thanks to its included handle. You can use the handle to transport the machine to other gatherings, or to take it to your garage, so that the production noise doesn't disrupt people engaging in conversation. During testing, we found this ice maker to be fairly loud, so keep that in mind when using this machine. The Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker has a 2-quart water tank that can produce 9 cubes of ice in less than 10 minutes. You can make small or large ice cubes with this machine, and, if you'd like, you can watch the production in progress, thanks to the little window located on the lid. Another cool feature of this ice maker is the 5-cycle self-cleaning option, which is great for people who hate to clean. In addition to coming in standard colors such as black, white, and stainless steel, you can also get this model in baby blue and baby pink. Because this tank is lower in volume compared to others, you may have to refill it often to compete with output. Number 5. Best compact ice maker. Agility Countertop Ice Maker. The Agility Countertop Ice Maker works well in home bars due to its compact size, which measures less than 8 inches in width and a little more than 12 inches high. It has a cute, sleek look that can blend in well on most home bar carts. One batch from this Agility model produces 9 cubes of ice in about 7.5 minutes. If used all day, it can make up to 26.5 pounds of ice. The tank capacity is about 7 cups, making it one of the smaller tanks that we worked with while testing ice makers, though this is to be expected due to its compact profile. As such, we predicted that we would have to refill this fairly often. This ice maker produces small and large bullet ice, and allows you to watch the process of the ice, with a window attached to the lid. When your ice is finished, an indicator light comes on when the basket is full and ready. This light also turns on when the water tank needs more water. In terms of noise, we rated this a 3.5, which was on par with many of the other ice machines we tested. That's all my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.